Yo, what up guys, me Patrick LeVar just dropping in to say what up and give you guys a little bit of, keep you in the loop of what's going on. I'm going to be working on another video that's going to be talking about 3 basic shot types that you need to have in your video. Hopefully I'm going to have that up by Saturday, so just going to keep you guys in the loop. Plus I've been busy just working on other things. I've been trying to again get out of my comfort zone. I've been working on a lot of 3D work and also using my cell phone to do some 3D photo scans, taking pictures of things, and then using some other free software that I've actually found on the internet that'll take all the photos, put them together, and be able to do something like this. Make a really cool 3D photo scan model that was all made from photos. Pretty cool. So, you know, just keep you guys in the loop, so stay tuned. Remember, keep filming. It's Patrick LeVar. I'll see you guys soon. Peace. That's how I got this shot, using the grip gear dolly on the table dolly. Got a little yellow marker over there for my tracking points when I tracked it in Cinema 4D. And then I was sitting over there, and then I had, again, using the magic arm, connected to the table, and I had the phone, the same rig here, sitting on top there. That's how we do it, baby.